Hello everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a look at a premium smart dashcam setup that combines sharp 4K recording, advanced connectivity, and intelligent vehicle monitoring. The 70mai A810 Lite 4K dashcam front and rear. If you want more than just basic recording and are looking for a smarter driving security system, this dashcam is packed with impressive features. Starting with video quality. The 70mai A810 Lite records an ultra-clear 4K resolution on the front camera, while the rear camera provides additional road coverage for complete front and back protection. The footage looks sharp, detailed, and clean during both daytime and nighttime driving. License plates, road signs, and lane details remain visible even in challenging lighting conditions. One of the strongest features of this model is door night vision. Night driving can be difficult for many dashcams because of glare from headlights and low visibility, but the door processing helps balance bright and dark areas to deliver clearer nighttime footage. Whether you're driving through highways, city traffic, rain, or dimly lit roads, the camera performs consistently well. The addition of 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6 makes transferring footage incredibly fast and smooth. Compared to older dashcams using slower wireless connections, downloading clips to your smartphone feels almost instant. You can preview recordings, save important footage, and manage settings directly from the app without constantly removing the memory card. Another premium feature here is optional for GadgetVerse remote access. This takes the dashcam beyond simple recording and turns it into a connected vehicle security system. With supported accessories and setup, you can remotely access your car, receive alerts, monitor activity, and track your vehicle location through GPS functionality. For people who leave their cars parked outdoors or travel frequently, this adds a valuable extra layer of protection. The built-in GPS tracking also stores speed and route data alongside your recordings, which can be extremely useful during insurance claims or incident reviews. The camera's voice control feature is another convenient touch, allowing hands-free operation while driving so you can focus on the road. You also get emergency lock protection with the built-in G sensor. If sudden braking or a collision occurs, the camera automatically saves and protects the important footage from being overwritten. Loop recording keeps continuous recording active without worrying about storage management. One of the most important features for modern drivers is the 24-hour parking mode. With the proper hardwire setup, the camera can continue monitoring your vehicle while parked and capture suspicious motion or impacts even when the engine is turned off. This makes it especially useful for apartment parking lots, street parking, and overnight vehicle protection. Overall, the 70mai A810 Lite delivers a strong combination of 4K clarity, smart connectivity, remote monitoring, reliable night vision, and advanced safety features. It feels less like a simple dashcam and more like a complete intelligent driving companion for everyday security and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the product link in the description below to grab yours on Amazon.